Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see here, what the market gave us here, as I tell it to you before, I told you have here a level, guys, here and here that pen bar, it's showing the same. And also, yes, we got here a level here in that where we are now. But that candle, look at it, what it's doing to us. Let's zoom it a little bit like that. What you see in here, try to give us here a pin bar, and the pin bar, I think majority of you didn't know how it's reacting to the market, either to go up or it's going to fall down again. So till now there is nothing confirmed, guys, but if you see here down here in our friend here, if you bring in a line that the volume of that candle, that one here, let's zoom it a little bit. As you see it, what it's indicating to you, that volume here, look at it, there is no volume, guys. That was me I've been telling you in Saturday and Sunday, there is no volume. As you see it, look at the last 2 days or 3 days, how it used to be the volume very big. So today and tomorrow the volume is going to be very dry till Monday, guys. And in Monday, I tell it to you, I told you, it's going to make a correction going upward again, like that. Then we're going to see the big falling, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified, my friend, and you're going to be always updated what the crypto market is doing from professional people, not amateurs, they just learning online or something like that. Also, we are professional, guys, and that's the job of us. You done it, my friend? Welcome to the family. So I think everything is too clear here. Let me show you my chart, what I got. My chart, as you see it, it's still there, the same thing, guys. That level here we got with yellow, it came to it. It show us here a pin bar, but me I told you, even tomorrow you're going to see maybe a red candle. Till Monday, guys. Monday maybe it's going to come here a green candle, indicating the market will go up, then will fall down again. Or another scenario, Monday is going to come here a red candle indicating the market will go down. Then the rest of the week it will go in upward, guys. Everything is too clear? Now let's go in to see our indicators for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Helping us growing up more that channel. I know that channel, it will not growing up without your help, guys. Without your help, without smashing the like button, without writing comment, that channel it will not growing up. So if you liking our analysis and you find it very informative, go down and smashing the like, writing a comment, tell us anything. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the hard work you're doing and the likes you're giving us, guys. Thank you very much. Now let's go to see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, I tell it to you, here, it's breaking down that wall as we have here. And when it came here, it's showing us we're still in a downtrend. It's not yet, guys. As I tell it to you thousands of times in the previous videos, it's not yet. Forget about other people, what they're telling you. Those people, they never ever trade, guys. It's not yet. It's need that white one here we have here in the top to be broken. If it doesn't being broken, there is no entry in the Bitcoin, guys. So here in the daily, what should you do? Should you buy? Should not? It's not yet. Still very early, guys. All going to confirm that to you is our other indicator, guys. Let's go there to see it, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, if you remember what else we're telling you. We're telling you we got here a very clear divergence. Yes or no? Should you buy, my friend? Not yet. What else we said? We said level. Yes, we are in a very stronger level. I know I repeated thousands of times that things I'm going to say now, but I repeat it to stay in your brain, my friend. Every time you saw an oscillator, it's giving you here, you are at the oversold or at the overbought, don't enter. Even if you are in a very stronger level, if the price action that doesn't meet the criteria of the price action, don't enter. Remember that. Remember it. So what else we said? We said here, our indicator is at the oversold area. Price action we got here. The only price action is that one, guys. Did we break it? Not yet. Till we break here, we will enter all of us long, guys. Yes, like that way you're going to enter late, but you're going to enter more secure than just to enter from the oversold area. Like I will show you that previous here. that previous example here, guys. So now, as I tell you, what should you do? Should you buy, should not? Of course, no. Still very, very early. It might don't want to stay here at the oversold area and the price to fall down till 10k, guys. It's not yet. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Go ahead and smash in the like button. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and if you remember what else we said before, we got here, double top. When it's breaking here, we enter short. Now we are in the profit, yes or no? And look here, that candle which is broke, the one, that big one, the one, not the volume of it. After that, what happened here? Let me zoom it. Look with me, guys. That here, the one, is the candle which is broke. Look after it, what happened here. What you seeing? What that indicating to you? That it's indicating there is no volume, guys. Even the moving average is falling down, follow it, but there is no volume. All the volume is very, very, very low, guys. All the people, they are waiting the weekly candle to finish, and in Monday they are going to make the decision based on the weekly candle, what it telling them. Till now there is no entry, guys. Also we enter here that chart because our price action, and our price action is showing us also we are going to go till down here. I'll show you all those things before in previous videos, but here look at that candle or past here. What it's indicating here, that candle here, that one, what it indicating to you? A very clear pin bar. Yes or no? And look, all those candles here, they indicating a pin bar, guys. I told you me before, maybe that one is going to make a correction up like that. Then after that, it's going to drop or without to make any correction. The week when it's going to start from here is going to drop, guys. Also, we're still in a downtrend, guys. Remember my word. And here what I told you in the previous videos, guys. Here, what did I told you? You got here. If you've been with us, guys, like that. What did I told you? I told you got a triangle like that. Look at it. Even that pin bar who came today here, that one, it's showing the same thing, guys. Yes or no? Now, if it doesn't break here, it will not fall down, guys, till here. It might from here is going to be the end of the downtrend, guys. It might from here it will go in upward because also we're analyzing the price action, guys, and also every day, guys, we put in 2 videos. So you, if you are not subscriber, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, so when also we put in a new update, you're going to be notified, my friend. It's very simple, my friend. A red button down, click at it will become green. Next to it a bell, turn it to all. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's go to see our other indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, also we enter from here short, guys, where it's breaking down. As you see it, what it's telling us here, even the market is very flat, there is no volume, but look at it, it's showing, it's giving you a lower low. If you remember what me I told you here, that's for people they've been with us for long. If you remember it, smash the like button and write for us a comment, my friend. Now what that indicating, guys, here, us, we are here in the control of the bears, guys. There is no bulls controlling now. The bulls, they being here. Here, the bears were controlling that market, and that market is being for long in the bears control. Now, should you buy, my friend? Not yet. Look at that. Look where we are. I think me personally is going to fall down till here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And another thing here, guys. I tell it to you in the previous video, but let me repeat it again. Look here. Look where I started from. You got here a very stronger level. Every time he used to touch it, he go back up. Yes or no? He touched it here, he went up. Now here he's showing he break it down. Now we need to wait in the next candle of the 4 hours what it's going to do. Either to continue it down or to go back up. And me, I personally think there is more room to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys. If you remember what else we said about it, being here at the overbought area, give us here the price action, the double top. We enter short, look where we are. Now what should you do? Don't do nothing now, my friend. Don't do nothing. Now you just waiting that indicator of us here when it's going to enter here at the oversold area for you to take the profit. When it's going to enter here at the 4 hours, you need to take the profit. By the way, to get that indicator is very, very, very simple. One video here in our channel, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to the description of that video. You're going to find that indicator, download that. Also, we give you the code source of that indicator, install it in TradingView, and even in that video we show you how to install it, my friend. Go ahead and do it and use it. The only thing, don't change nothing in the setting of it. Leave it how it is. Everything is too clear, and here what we said. here. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what we said. We said we got here a very clear triangle like that. Should you buy now? Not yet, guys. If it doesn't break here, we are not going to buy. And here, what we said here about the 4 hours in the previous videos, guys, what we said here. That one is very small here. But it's clear. It's a triangle, guys. And look with me here. What the 200 moving average is telling you. I showed that to you before. It's okay to repeat it. The market is working like that, guys. Falling down, resting or sideways, either to go up or to fall down more. And the 200 moving average here, what it's saying? Look at it. What it's been doing here, it's falling. Now, what it's doing here? Look at it. It's resting, guys. There is no volume to push down, guys. Everything is very simple. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated. Now we need to wait in that one to enter here at the oversold area. And also we will be looking for buy opportunities, guys. And that's why me every time I tell you, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. So when also we put in a new video and a new signal, you're going to enter with us. Like how we enter people that been following from us. For some time, we enter from here to here. We enter here, tell here. We enter all those times, guys. Here, tell here. All those entries also we entered, guys. No one can give you highly accurate signals like this, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now we are too close, guys, but not yet. And here I show you that one in the previous video. We are in a level. Same in the chart, in the daily, in 4 hours, we are in a level. And even here, our indicator is indicating we are in a level. What should we do now? We protect ourselves. We're moving the stop loss down a little bit. That's it. That's the only things I can tell you now. Now, let's go into 30 minutes, guys, to see what is it there. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much. Now, let's go into 30 minutes, guys, to see what is it there. Here we are in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes, what did I told you in the previous video? I told you got here that the line of the neck of that head and shoulder, that one. Because here we got a head and shoulder, very clear, guys, here. It hasn't been broken, so us we are not going to enter because here in 30 minutes, it's telling us we are here, we need to buy. And what we have here now, a very clear wage, guys. Yes or no? Now, if it's breaking here, we will enter long, guys. Take profit here at the 200 moving average here. Why? Because our indicator is showing to us now we are at the oversold area, guys. And here, look at it here. What it giving you? A double bottom, guys. If it came here and breaking here, that last high of it, you enter long, but that one is going to be too far away. It just came here to those ones here, and you draw it like that, guys. Like that. You can even draw here a flag like that. A flag, how you draw it like that. That means the one, but that one, it doesn't indicate the market is going to go back up. That is indicating the market will fall down more, guys. Tell here. Tell that place here. At me, I told you, the price action you have here is it, that one, guys. That one, like that, and like that. You connecting those dots is a wage. If it's breaking here, you enter long. Take profit at the 200 moving average. Stop loss, you put it down in that peak here. Everything is too clear, guys. It's our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, also here we are at the oversold area. We've been at the oversold from here, guys. That's what me I told you. If you remember, us we been here. What did I told you here? You got a trend line here. If it doesn't being broke, don't enter. It doesn't being broke. And here, when it came here, what did I told you? We got here a head and shoulder. I told you if it's breaking up, you enter long. Did it break it? Not yet. At the neckline. And now, the last video, what did I told you got here? Here, like that. I told you got a triangle. I told you if it's breaking up, you enter long. No, it's breaking down, actually. Now, what did I told you here? You got here a wage or a flag, or name it whatever you want. I told you if it's breaking up, you enter long, guys. Me, I'm talking here about 30 minutes. Take profit, it will not be that far away. Only here at the 200 moving average. And the stop loss of you, it's here. That why me, I told you those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. Don't base you trading on that. As you see, from here till here, is scalping that a lot of points, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So now what should you do? If it's breaking here, and me I thinking it's going to break it in Monday. Here. Till now it's not yet, guys. Till now us we stay here down, and that one maybe is going to fall down till here. Till that level here down. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.